and welcome students. Today we're going to do the fourth module of Microsoft Excel, that is Pacific Crest College, Analyze and Chart Financial Data. So we will be doing some stuff related to charts. If you want me to do this assignment for you or the complete course of Excel, Access, Word, PowerPoint, Statistics, Business Analytics, Finance, and Power BI related projects, just do text me on the WhatsApp. You can also email me and I will get in touch with you. I will send you the ready to submit file. You just need to submit it and get it graded. Okay, so let's get started with it. You can see the title of this project. Okay, Linda Larson is an administrator at Pacific Crest College in Redding, California. She is compiling data about student enrollment for the college marketing department and wants you to use the Excel to create charts to illustrate the data and emphasize the trends. Okay. Go to enrollment worksheet. First of all, we need to open the worksheet. As we open the worksheet, we have three worksheets right there: documentation, enrollment, and marketing. First of all, we need to go to the enrollment worksheet. This worksheet shows the number of students enrolled in the programs in 5 years of study and over 4 years. Jalinda wants you to compare the number of students enrolled in 2028 in each area of study. Okay, these are the areas. These are the calendar years on which students have enrolled. Now, what we're going to do, we're going to add a conditional formatting to show solid filled orange data bars in F5 to F9. F5 to F9, solid filled orange data bars. This is the one, solid filled orange data bars. So we are done with step number 1. Moving to step number 2, Jalinda also wants to provide a general impression of the annual trend for each area of study and for the total students enrolled over 4 years. In the range G5 to G10, add a line spark line based on the data C5 to C10. So we are going to insert spark line in this range G5 to G10. We need to go to the insert, and here in the spark line section you will click the line, and now the range that we are going to give, that is C5 to F10. You can select it either, and you can also drag it and select it. C5 to F10 probably. Yeah, C5 to F10. So now you can see our trend lines have been inserted. Format the spark line as follows to make them more prominent. Apply the orange accent 6 darker 50% spark line color to the range G5 to G10. Orange. Okay, now you see all of our spark lines are already selected. As you select the spark line tab will appear, and here you will navigate to spark line color, and the color is orange accent 6 darker 50. Yeah, this is the one, orange accent 6 darker 50. Show the high points and low points data markers. Now, because all those are selected, we haven't deselected it, so spark line tab will still appear, and here you have to click on the high point and low point. Now you see the spark lines are marked with high points and low points. So we are done with step number 3. Moving to step number 4, Jalinda has created a pie chart representing the percentage of the students enrolled in each area of study in 2028. Okay. She wants to allow more room for the plot area of the chart. Modify the chart I2 017. This is the chart. We're going to modify it. The first modification is change the position of the data labels to inside end. First of all, you need to select the chart. When you select the chart, a chart element will appear. You need to click it, and now click on the data labels. Now you see these are placed outside end. We have to click inside end. Now the data labels are positioned inside end. Move the legends to the right of the plot area. These are the legends, so we need to move it to the right. So the correct way is just click on the chart element, go to the legends, and here you can click the right. So our legends are positioned on the right side of the chart. So we are done with the step number 4 as well. Moving to step number 5, Jalinda wants similar pie chart showing the percentage of the students enrolled in each area of study in 2027. Create the chart as follows. Create a 2D pie chart based on the range in E5 to E9 and using the category B5 to B9. So we have the two ranges of cells, but those are non-adjacent, so we need to select them. First of all, B5 to B9. We need to select B5 to B9 and then press the control key and you need to select E5 to E9. E5 to E9. Now you need to go to the insert tab and in the chart section you need to click this pie chart and you need to click this first 2D pie chart. Resize and reposition the chart so that the upper left corner is located in cell I19 and lower in O34. I19 34 19 I and O. So we have rightly placed the chart. Moving to step number 6, that is customize the pie chart you just added as follows to match the appearance of the enrollment by study area of study 28 pie chart. Okay. Enter enrollment by area of study 27 as a chart title. So we need to just select it and copy it. Now you need to click the chart title and here you can paste it. Now it says the second one is apply chart style 4 to the chart. So once you select the chart design appear, and here in the styles group you have multiple chart styles. We need to select style 4. This is style 4. Change the colors to monochromatic plate 6. So once you select the chart style, chart design appears, and here in the change colors you need to select monochromatic plate 6. Change the position of the data label to inside end. So select the chart, click chart element, data labels, inside end. Data labels to show the percentage rather than a value. So you see these data labels are showing the values, so we have to change them to percentage rather than the values. For this you need to select the chart, navigate to chart element, and here navigate to chart labels, click more options, and here you can select the percentage and remove the value, and that's it. Now you see all the values are shown as a percentage, no values are there. The last option is move the legend to the right. Again, you can simply select and drag it, but the correct way is select and click right. You see how many steps it has a total of 13. So we have a lot remaining left. Okay, moving to step number 7, that is Jalinda wants to insert a column chart that combines the enrollment data in a single column of each area of study. Create a stake column chart based on the range B5 to F9. Add each series name based on the labels C4 to F4. So first of all, we need to select the chart. We need to insert the chart based on the range B5 to F9. So this is B5 to F9, and the chart type is stake column chart. Go to insert, and here you can select all chart, stake column chart. Next it says add each series 25/6 based on the name. Okay, these are the names, so we need to edit it. Okay, so right click there, select data, and here you need to click the edit one, and the 25 name should be wait. So it has a series 1, 2, 3, 4. Rather than we'll be giving the numbers them 25, 26. So I will select this series, right click there, select data, and now select this, edit. Now you can type the name 2025. Again, edit 2026. Again, edit 2027. Again, edit 2028. Okay. Now you see series 1, 2, 3 are removed, and there are names to these labels. Resize and reposition the chart so that the upper left corner is located within B12 and lower right in G34. B12. Okay, so we have rightly placed the chart. Moving to step number 8, it says customize the stake column chart as follows to coordinate with other chart and to make the data easier to interpret. Enter enrollment by area study as a chart title. I'm just copying it and pasting it. That's it. Change the maximum value to 4000 on the vertical axis. These are the vertical axis. Now you see the maximum value is 3500. You need to change it. Double click it. And 4000 maximum value. Change the colors to monochromatic plate 6. Again, select the chart chart design appear, go to colors, and now select multiplied 6. So we have done the 8 steps. It had a total of 13 steps. So I have done almost 60 to 70% of the assignment. Do subscribe to my channel, and if you want me to complete that video, do send me your request on the WhatsApp, or you can email me. I will definitely send you the video. Or if you want me to do this assignment for you, you just need to send the files over the WhatsApp. I will do the assignment for you and I will send it back to you, then you can submit it. The other option that you have, that is, we can have a Zoom meeting for each assignment. You will do the assignment, I will supervise you, I make sure that you do the assignments in the correct way. So do subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video. Till then, take care.